With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, in the question we're said that a particle falls from a height small h and rebound to a new height h1 such that h1 is less than h. Okay, then we are asked which of the following graph is the correct representation of the motion. Now if you look at this mathematically, so at the first half, that is when we are when the particle falls from a height h, at that situation if you calculate the expression for v, it is how much? E minus gt, correct? Why minus gt? Because g is in the negative direction. Now initially this u is how much? Initially the u is 0 because it is a case of free fall. So we get the velocity as minus gt. That is, we should have negative velocity in the first half. Now look at this diagram here. Out of this, the first diagram represents a negative velocity, and the third diagram also represents negative velocity in the first half. So the correct option must be between the first and the last option. Now in the second half, what will happen is, once the particle reaches the ground, it will change its velocity instantaneously. Okay, so for the second half, if you calculate the expression for velocity, it will be u minus of gt. Now, and in this case, u is not negative, right? U is not negative. So what will happen is, this value of velocity will now become positive. Okay. So what do we have here is, instantaneously, as soon as it hits the ground, its velocity will change instantaneously to a positive value. Okay, now look at the last option. Here you see the velocity is initially negative. It increases in this direction as you can see, because as time increases, this value of velocity increases in the negative direction as this graph represents. Now, as soon as it hits the ground, its velocity changes instantaneously and it gives some positive value, right? But that positive value also decreases with time until it reaches 0 again. That is the until it reaches 0 again, and again it continues in the negative direction. So basically the last diagram is a correct representation of the motion. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.